Careful on the net, please. Cooper, don't jump too close to her, please.
Good bounce.
Hi.
Hi. My fellas, a little. That's that.
Oh, it'll be fine.
I'm gonna throw it over. Did it land on you?
No, it's fine.
Did it land on you?
No. Away from the edge, please. Thank you.
Is that a nice wood?
I don't know. Addie, leave that, please.
Is that a good wood?
Just don't worry about it right now. If you have to ask, you probably shouldn't say it.
If I wet? Ah?
Just jump. Addie, fingers out your mouth. Can you jump big?
Yeah.
Let me see. Show me how you jump big. Oh, your hair. Jump big?
Nice.
Whoa!
Look at my name.
I
made a
see.
stem.
Oh, okay. No, don't take them off, please. Addie, leave them on, please. Hey, come tell me what those are, Bugs. What are those on your feet?
It's sandies.
They're what?
Sandies.
Oh, your sandies?
Yeah.
Your sandals?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did Bubba see your toes?
Yeah.
What's on your toes?
Are they wet?
They paint? Do you have pretty toes?
Yeah.
Yeah, so pretty. Don't pick at them, Coops.
That's pretty, Addie. Yeah.
Thank you.
I like it. I like it. Yeah. I think it's slower. I can go fast.
Whoa, you okay, Bugs?
Yeah.
You okay?
Yeah.
Alright, you get your hair out of your face?
Yep.
Oh, your hands are alright. Brush them off. Woo! Okay, you run. Okay, you jump. Leave your shirt alone, Coops.
Actually walk.
Oh, actually walk? Okay.
Actually walk first.
Oh, actually walk first. Okay.
Jump first. Wow. Okay.
Okay.
I'm gonna put it straight up, like this. Walk. Walk. Walking. Go.
Mm-hmm.
Walking.
I see.
Go.